Year 1. Strange being in school without you. Hope you're all having a nice time at home with your family and that you had a lovely Easter break and didn't eat too many Easter eggs. While we're here today, I'm going to do a bit of a maths lesson with you, and we're going to start with doing a mental starter, and we're going to do some counting in 2s and 10s. Then we're going to recap our number bonds to 10 and 20 using Numicon. Then it's your turn to have a go at a few, and then I'm going to tell you how you can extend this and do a little extra challenge. Okay, so for our mental starter, we're going to start by counting in 10s. We've done lots of practice on this, so we're going to do it active. So I'm going to do some star jumps today. I've been keeping nice and active doing Joe Wicks, don't know how many of you have at home. We're going to start with counting from 0 all the way up to 100 in 10s. Now I'm going to miss out some numbers, so see if you can shout along with it at home, see if you can recognise the numbers I've missed out. Are you ready? 0, 10, 20, 40, 60, 70, 90, 100. Fantastic. Okay, it's a great way to keep active and practice counting in 10s. We're going to do counting in 2s now. This time we're going to do spotty dogs, which is opposite leg and opposite arm forward. And if you want to put up 2 fingers to remind yourself you're adding on 2 each time, you can. And again, I'm going to miss out some numbers to see if you can call along at home as well. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20. Fantastic. Right, now we've warmed ourselves up, I'm going to do some clapping. And you're going to have to keep those numbers in your head and tell me what number I end up on. So I'm going to start with by counting in 10. So every clap, you need to add on 10 more. So I'm going to start at 0. So while I catch my breath, I'm going to clap. Hopefully, you worked out that I clapped 3 times, and 3 lots of 10 is 30. Let's try it again. So hold those numbers in your head. Are you ready? I'm going to start at 0. What number did I get? 50. Fantastic. I'm going to do one more. This time I'm going to count in 2s. So in your head you need to be counting 2, 4, 6. Are you ready? 0. Shout out what number you think I landed on. It was 10. Fantastic. We've done our mental warm-up. Keep practicing those 2s, 5s and 10s at home. We're going to now recap our number bonds using Numicon. So I've got my 10 here, and I can either go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or I could have counted in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here I've got 10. If I put this one in front of it, how many more would I need to add to it to make 10? Shall we count and see what I've got? I've got 2, 4, 6, 8. So now I need to work out what I'm going to add to 8 to make 10. I just need to grab a pen. So I've got 8 add something equals 10. I hope you can see that there's 2 left over there. Or you might have been able to picture the different colours and shapes of our Numicon. So 8 add 2 equals 10. Okay, I'm going to try another one. I'm going to put this one in front of it. Let's count together and see how many we've got. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So this time, 9 add what equals 10. And hopefully you can see there that the answer is 1. There's 1 space left there for our 1. So 9 add 1 equals 10. Or I could write 1 add 9 equals 10. Or I could write 10 equals 1 add 9. All those number sentences are the same. Right, let's try one more before we move on to our next challenge. So the next one I'm going to put up is, let's have this one. Okay, can you shout out at home, what would I need to add to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to make 10? 7, add 3 equals 10. Fantastic. Let's just see if you can then shout out quickly for me at home what I would need to add to 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 6. So 4 add 6 makes 10. Okay, while we've got all our number bonds fresh in our heads, we're going to do a little bit of tennis with our number bonds. So I'm going to hit the ball at you and you're going to hit it back to me and tell me what my answer would be. So my racket ready? Ready? 7. Hopefully you will hit back at me with the number 3. Are you ready for another one? We're going to get quicker. 5. And hopefully you've all shouted back 5. Next one. 9. And hopefully you shouted back 1. Fantastic. And one more. 10. And hopefully you said 0 at home there. Okay, so we've recapped our number bonds to 10. Now it's your turn to have a go. So on this side of the board, I've given you some ones to add to work out what you'd get to 10. As an extra challenge, you can do to 20. So instead of 7 add something equals 10, you could do 17 add something equals 20. If you've had a go at this side, you can then move on and have a go at this side and see if you can spot a pattern or what's happening with the numbers. So you can pause the video and have a go at these number bonds on here. Okay. If you want a little bit of an extra challenge, when you're doing your number bonds, can you make up a story to go with it? So you could say, I needed 10 Easter eggs to give to my friends and family. I only had 7. How many more did I need so I had my 10 eggs? So you can have a go at making up stories as well to go with them. Anyway, hopefully see you soon. Hopefully you're practicing your maths hard at home. Lots of active fun ways to be practicing 2s, 5s and 10s and your number bonds to 10 and 20. Thank you, bye bye.